Thanks for checking out this video. I hope you're doing well. I've got a really good one for you here. This one will give you info about the best income streams that you can set up. These are perfect income streams that you can set up as a beginner. They're also income streams that can make you really good money. You know, anything from $500, $1,000, $2,000 a week plus. And these are all income streams that I've built and continue to build, and you can make them a lot easier with AI as well. So I'm going to walk you through the 6 income streams, and I'm going to give you a brief walkthrough of each one. If you're interested in this stuff, do subscribe, because I'm going to be taking each of these income streams and speaking more in depth about each one in following videos. And also check out your free AI prompts that you get in the description. These are 100 AI prompts that I wish I had when I got started. They will give you 100 of the best prompts that you can use to grow your business. So check that out, that's in the description. And let's get straight on with the income streams. So as I say, these are fantastic for beginners, and I'll just walk you through and give you some pointers on how to set them up. Here we go. Number 1, the first income stream that I recommend setting up, fantastic for beginners, is niche sites. Now, you may have heard of niche sites before, and I'm looking at Amazon here, amazon.com. Niche sites, really simple way of explaining niche sites is they are sites that promote products through an affiliate program. Amazon affiliates is a great one to start, but you can also use ClickBank products, you can also use share a sale products, any affiliate network products, and the site will consist of reviews on the product or information based posts, and then keywords that help people to find the right product for them. So this is a fantastic income stream and way of making money in 2024, because you don't need to have that much experience. And also the way Google's moving is, as long as you've got quality content and as long as you actually have a demographic or you have a person that you're targeting, I recommend zeroing in on one group. I'll give you a quick example so you can see what I mean. You could go for rowing machines, for instance, like this one here on the screen, but I recommend you'd build a site around rowing machines for beginners or rowing machines for heavier people, something like that. You want to zero in on a niche to make it easier to rank for. Really great way of making money, and simple to do. And then further down the line, you could also flip the site once you're making money. Once you've built a site that's actually up and running, you can then flip the site. So that's a highly recommended income stream. Again, if you need more information, do subscribe, because I'm going to be talking more about these income streams. And get your prompts below, because your prompts in the description will help you with all of these income streams if you want more information on them. So let's go straight on to the second income stream, the second way of making money that will really work for you and great as a beginner. It is ClickBank as an affiliate. This is the income stream that I got started with, and it's the easiest income stream to set up. You can literally pick a popular product from the ClickBank marketplace. I recommend going for a product that you have some knowledge about in terms of the niche. I started off with the gaming niche because I was interested in gaming and I knew about the games and the guides that I was promoting. And I recommend that you set it up and build a list. So a really simple way of doing this is to have an opt-in, and then to give really great information with maybe a pitch on the 3rd or the 4th or the 5th day. But the main thing that you want to do with this income stream is make sure that you're actually helping someone. A quick example would be if you have a guide on how to get a 6-pack, you want to have an opt-in and you want to give them some free information that's really good, like how to build up your abs, foods to eat, different exercises before you even sell the guide. You want to give them really, really good information. But this is so good because ClickBank will pay really decent commission, and it's so easy to set up, and that's a fantastic income stream. Second, ClickBank as an affiliate. The third is an income stream as well that I've built, and the way I recommend that you do this one is your own product. And people worry about which niche to get into with their own product. What if you invest all that time into writing an ebook or building a video course and it doesn't sell? The best way that you can build your income stream, third income stream with your own product, is to make sales as an affiliate, like I've just been talking about, and then go into the same niche with your list now, with your list of people, with a niche that you know sells, and then build your own product. So just the same way that six-pack abs, if it's possible for you, six-pack abs, you're promoting as an affiliate, you build up a list of like 100, 200, 300 people, and then you can release your own product and start building up an army of affiliates on ClickBank, and you've already got a list to market it to. Okay? And if you're watching this and you're a bit like, oh my god, these all sound really, really complicated, here's the easiest income stream that I recommend, and that is social media straight to the offer. So what you can do again with a ClickBank product is just use domain forwarding. So you can set it up so you get a domain name like sixpackabsmaster.com, and then you can set it up the MX records to just show go straight through to your affiliate link. And then you can promote that direct on social media. So people would see www.yoursite.com, but it would go through on your affiliate link. And then you can just promote on social media: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, X, Twitter, and get a sequence going. Use an automatic social media poster. Yeah, you're not going to build a list. Yes, it's not the best income stream, but if you're literally spinning your wheels and not doing anything, that's the easiest income stream to build up. Highly recommended. The fifth one, okay, so we've looked at niche sites, ClickBank as an affiliate, your own product, and social media straight to offer. The fifth one is freelancing and consulting, and for this you'll want to join sites like Upwork and LinkedIn and other job hunting sites like Upwork, like guru.com, and you want to start applying for jobs based on your expertise. This is something that I've done to build an SEO business, and the way I did that was everything that I've done has been revolved around SEO. So I started offering SEO to businesses, and that works really, really well. It goes without saying that you can actually build a business as a freelancer or consultation. Out of all of them, this is by far the most profitable, if done correctly, depending on the area that you go into. Might put you off if you're not really into business, so to speak, and you don't really want an online business and you just want to make a side income. Then you might be better sticking with the previous income streams. But freelancing and consulting is a great one, and the way you set it up is you need skills, so you need something to offer: web design, SEO, whether you're a pay-per-click expert. You need actual have a look at on Upwork, have a look at the sort of areas there for people. You need something to offer. Then you need a landing page that actually tells people who you are, and a website. And then you need to know how to pitch for work. So with Upwork, people will bid on projects, and you can put people will request work, and they'll put how much they want to pay, and then you can put your bid in and tell them a bit about yourself and get interviewed and get get the job. Really quick way and really easy entry level to get into. Okay, so what have we got for number 6? Well, number 6 is membership sites, and you can run this through membership software. If you didn't want to do that, you can build up your YouTube channel and then actually offer membership through your YouTube and offer behind the scenes and extra stuff. But I recommend, if you want to keep it simple, you could use School, like SKOOL. I'll just show you. So you could use a site like School, SKOOL, and build a membership. Um, a membership group, $49 a month here. Um, or you can use Facebook groups and a sales page and do that. The main distinction is obviously you've got updated drip fed content. If you wanted to get more fancy, you can use a proper membership site like Kajabi or something like that, and actually have it drip fed and schedule it so it automatically gets released every month. So that's a way of doing it. Those are the 6 best income streams that I recommend. Fantastic for beginners and fantastic for experts. They make you really, really good money, and they all touch into each other because they can all overlap. You can, you could add a membership site to your ClickBank product, for instance. So these are great. Quick run through. Number 1, niche sites. Not in any order, just the order that you like. Number 1, niche sites. ClickBank as an affiliate. Number 3, your own product. Number 4, social media straight to offer. That's the easiest one. Number 5, freelance and consulting. And number 6, a membership site that you can run through School or Facebook groups, and they are the best income streams that I recommend starting with. Do subscribe if you want to learn more about them, and we'll go into each one, and get your free prompts below. They really, really help you, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.